Welcome to our guide on fixing a common issue in Microsoft Teams, echo and background noise. This video is essential for remote workers dealing with distracting audio during their crucial Teams meetings. Echo and background noise are highly distracting and can significantly disrupt your communication during video calls. With the rise of remote work, audio quality is more critical than ever. This is a high-frequency problem with simple solutions. First, let's tackle echo, which often results from audio feedback loops. The most common culprit for echo is having multiple audio sources active, like a laptop and an external speaker. Ensure audio is only running through one device. For the best defense against echo, always use headphones or earbuds. This prevents your microphone from picking up the sound coming out of your speakers. And a basic but essential tip: mute your microphone when you are not actively speaking to eliminate potential feedback loops. Now let's move on to eliminating persistent background noise, like typing, traffic, or loud ventilation. In Microsoft Teams, navigate to your profile picture, then select Settings, and finally Devices to find the noise suppression options. Teams offers different noise suppression levels: auto, low, and high. Auto is usually sufficient, but sometimes you need more. If you are in a particularly noisy environment like a coffee shop, try the high setting for maximum background noise reduction. By following these simple steps, you can drastically improve your team's meeting experience for yourself and your colleagues. Remember the quick fixes: use a single audio source, wear headphones, and adjust the noise suppression settings as needed. Enjoy clearer, more productive Microsoft Teams meetings starting today.